Good morning, dear students. Start chapter 6, physical and chemical changes. Physical and chemical changes. Physical and chemical changes. First one is the rusting of iron. Rusting of iron. So rusting of iron, in this we will discuss about what is the rusting of iron. Rusting of iron is a chemical change. In this, when you will remove the cause, it cannot change in its original form. So rusting of iron is a chemical change with which you are quite familiar, and you know well that if iron articles are left in the open for some time or for some days, then you will get coated with a browny powdery substances that is called the rust, and this process due to which iron changes into rust is called rusting. And it has been found that rusting takes place only and if the iron objects come in contact with moist air, then as a matter of fact the rusting will take place only, and if the water and the oxygen come in contact with iron at the same time, the process of rusting can be represented by the following equations. When it will come in contact with the water and oxygen, then you can see that which kind of rust it will take place. So iron, you can see that iron, when it will come in contact with water and air, then 3O2 from air and H2O water, then what will form? Then 2Fe, 2O3 into H2O. That is the rust. It is the rust. In fact, no rusting will take place if only air or only water comes in contact with iron. As the moist air contains both, iron object rust easily, and rusting is one chemical change which slowly destroy iron articles. If you know, iron gates, chairs, roofs, machines. In fact, all iron articles get rusted in the open. Since iron is used for making bridges, cars, ships, rails and a large number of machines, the loss due to rusting is huge. So how do we prevent rusting? How we can prevent rusting? So we can prevent rusting by the following methods: oiling and greasing, by painting, by coating with other metals. So as I stated earlier, rusting will take place only if iron is simultaneously acted upon by water and oxygen from the air, and so if we prevent the iron articles to come in contact with air or water or both, the rusting will stop. Following are the methods of prevention rusting. We can prevent rusting by the following methods: oiling and greasing, by painting, by coating with other metals. So oiling and greasing, when the iron objects such as machines are coated with a thin layer of oil or grease, it prevents them from coming in contact with moist air, and thus the rusting does not take place. When we will put oiling or greasing, then rusting will not take place. And by painting, and by coating with other metals. So till here you will take revision.